cut or a wound, have you noticed that a red color fluid starts flowing out of your body? Do you know what that is? That is your blood. Blood is a fluid that travels in your blood vessels. Blood vessels are long elongated tubes that form a network and are distributed throughout your body. They help in the transportation of blood to different parts of your body. And by the way, blood is really important for human survival. Do you know why? Well, first of all, blood helps in the transportation of the digested food from your small intestine to different parts of the body. Blood also carries the oxygen from your lungs to each and every cell of the body. And lastly, blood also manages to throw out the wastes from your body. Now you may be wondering, how does a fluid like blood transport all of these substances? Well, it's because blood has various different components to it. First is the plasma. Plasma is what forms the fluid part of the blood and therefore acts as a perfect medium for transportation. Second are the red blood cells. Red blood cells, as the name suggests, have red color to them. These red blood cells are popularly known as RBCs. They have a red pigment to them which is called the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is very rich in oxygen, and this is a thing that carries and transports oxygen throughout your body. If you have low hemoglobin, it's very difficult for your body to effectively transport oxygen to different parts. Then we have the white blood cells or the WBCs. These are known as the soldiers or the fighters of the body. Why? It's because these are the cells that fight against the germs and foreign objects that enter your body. Lastly, the blood has blood platelets. Blood platelets are what help in clotting of your blood. Have you wondered what happens when you get a wound? Why doesn't all of your blood just flow out of that wound? Some kind of clot gets plugged onto the wound, right? That is because of your blood platelets. If you don't have the platelets, you will just continue to bleed and eventually die. So what have we learned today? We have learned about blood and its components, which are plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and the blood platelets. So until next time, happy learning!